Create a relaxing bedroom. Most of the rooms in your home buzz with activity. The living room is always ready for a party or family gathering, the kitchen is the busy work center of the home, and the bathroom caters to your every basic need. There's just one household space designated to come and comfort you: the bedroom. Bring the peaceful feeling in and keep the hustle and bustle of the rest of your house out by following these tips to create a relaxing bedroom that will restore your energies.